Question 42 is another consolidation question based on a complex group. So this time we have AQ acquiring 80% of the share capital of B on the 1st of January X3, who in turn acquires 60% of the share capital of C, but this was actually done a year earlier, 1st of January X2. What we're asked to do is identify which two of the following statements in respect of the consolidation are true for the year ended 31st December 20X3. So the first is that C would be equity accounted because AQ has an effective interest of just 48%. So that 48% has been calculated here by taking 80% of a 60% holding. So we can see where the figures have come from, but in actual fact that isn't true. AQ and B would definitely be a parent-subsidiary relationship, and B and C would be parent-subsidiary relationship because there is control. So the fact that AQ could control B, who in turn could control C, means there is a deemed control relationship between AQ and C, and a full consolidation would be necessary. So this one is incorrect. We would not be equity accounting. The second option is that 100% of the carrying value of PPE of both B and C would be included. That's correct. If we're consolidating, we include all of the assets and liabilities of all of the group companies. The third is that C will be recognised as a subsidiary, which we've just said is correct, but with effect from 1st of January 20X2. Just be careful with your dates here. In actual fact, this group doesn't come into form in terms of all three companies until 1st of January X3, so this one is an incorrect statement. The fourth is that AQ controls both B and C and therefore will be consolidated as subsidiaries, that's what we just said, with effect from 1st of January 20X3. That's the correct date. This statement would appear to be correct. So hopefully the last one is incorrect, which says that 60% of the post-acquisition retained earnings of C will be included within consolidated reserves. In actual fact, within those consolidated reserves, we will make use of this 48% here, and so no, it wouldn't be 60% that we would be including.